In this video, I will guide you how to use controller on GTA 5 PC Rockstar launcher. So there are two main ways to use controller on GTA 5 for PC with the Rockstar launcher. The number one is using Steam input if you own the GTA 5 on Steam. This method is convenient if you already own the GTA 5 on Steam alongside the Rockstar launcher version. Steam input allows your controller to work seamlessly with the game through a compatibility layer, and here's how to do it. Launch Steam, go under settings, then just click controller and make sure enable Steam input is checked. Close the setting menu and launch GTA 5 through Steam. Important, you need to launch it through Steam, not directly from the Rockstar launcher. Steam should automatically recognize your control and configure the buttons for GTA 5. You can also customize the control layout in the Steam control settings if needed. Number two, the second way is using third-party software if you only have Rockstar Launcher version. For users who solely have the Rockstar Launcher version of GTA 5, some third-party programs like DS for Windows for PlayStation controllers can help. These programs emulate an Xbox control, allowing your PlayStation control to function with the game. Here's the challenge process using the DS for Windows as an example. Download and install the DS for Windows. You can find it into Google when you type in DS for Windows download, or go onto the GitHub site here like you can see. Connect your controller to your PC via a USB or Bluetooth, then run the DS for Windows. It should automatically detect your controller. In DS4 Windows, to match the Xbox control layout used by GTA 5, this might involve setting profiles or custom buttons mappings. It's very easy to do. I also used it before, years before, so it's not complicated at all to configure the button. So then to launch GTA 5 from the Rockstar launcher, DS4 Windows should translate your controller inputs into the Xbox controller for the game automatically and very easy. So this is basically these are basically the two ways you can go about it. If you have it on Steam, go this route here. If you just have the Rockstar launcher version, try DS4 Windows. Otherwise, if you're a Mac user, yeah, I don't know if there is a solution for Mac users, but these two are mainly for Windows. And so, yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next.